Hi friends, a bunch of you have asked me what a wig or topper consultation kind of looks like or feels like here at b.LUXE. So first I want to let you know that you can book your consultation online or through our salon reception team. They're happy to help you. So this is our wig room. It's super private. It's very comfortable. I have plenty of beverages and really great snacks. You can also pick what kind of music you want to listen to. There's plenty of room to bring a friend or two if you want. Sometimes it makes the whole process more fun. So people turn towards alternative hair for a variety of different reasons, and those reasons are really unique to you. So the first part of our consultation, we'll spend some time discussing that. And when it comes to alternative hair, there is a solution for every problem. I promise you, no matter how unique it is, I will find a solution for the problem. And during that time, we can kind of discuss all the different options that might be available to you. The third part is the most fun. That's where we get to try out all of those options. And I have over 100 hair pieces inside of the studio in a variety of lengths, colors, textures, curly, straight. So while you might not be into that hot pink wig back there, you can definitely try it on. I think visiting our wig studio is unique because every piece is customized to you. The length, the curl pattern, the density, the color. There's literally nothing I can't achieve and no hair loss problem I can't solve. This really isn't your mother's hair loss solution. Trust me, alternative hair has come leaps and bounds. It is more seamless and undetectable than ever. I treat your alternative hair just like your biological hair. So when you're sitting in your hairdresser's chair and you're saying a little shorter hair, a few more highlights there, that's exactly what we'll do. It's a partnership. So once we find the solution, I will start working. I try to have every piece ready within 2 weeks. After that, we're gonna have you come back in, we're gonna have you try the piece on, we're gonna adjust anything that might need adjusting, and then we practice. I'm definitely not gonna let you leave here until we're both fully confident that you can achieve the same look at home. So if you're dealing with hair loss, no matter the reason, please know that there's a solution and I am gonna be with you every step of the way. So I can't wait to meet you, and please don't hesitate to contact me with any questions you might have. I hope you have the best day ever. Bye.